Hyperanimation tool initiated. 765 illuminated. Source file. Vikings engine of the great past. Program run completed.
Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. But I have tasted of desire I hold with those who favor fire.
Fall upon the shores of this pirate pushing oars, pillaging the waste with the crates and the whores. Drunk up in the sunset, hollow with his trumpets, not nose, beady eyes billowing and upset. Traveling the seas, charted these from Belize. Grab the gold, shoot the clerk, then murk and split the fees. All he needs is the seas and his sins. Past all is fast, but his future's wearing thin. Sitting on deck, tilt necked at the light speck. Stars in the sky, keep his mind in the right set. Triple X drink, take a trip to the sink. One eye patch and the other's on the brink. Got him out of gold, where to spend it he don't know. Got him out of trash, but the gist stank too bold. Nevertheless, ever stressed in his mess. Rum from a bottle, swallow guilt and distress. Moon at the zenith, drunk stupor and behemoth. As the stars start to melt, so does everything is felt. Step to the left, trip, catch, shoulders, breath, fold, leg under stress for the breast, pass out. Wake up sweating in the morning, bring sun. Not knowing where he's at, check his belt, lost his gun. On course, drifting like the rudder board is missing, like the rum aboard is whisking lost cause to oblivion. No way to stop, somewhere to go. Hold bathe the rocks, drink me alone, obey the code. Deck getting old, stress written bold, roll pivotal, drowning with no water, Lord send me home. No way to stop, somewhere to go. Hold bathe the rocks, drink me alone, obey the code. Deck getting old, stress written bold, roll pivotal, drowning with no water, Lord send me home. No way to stop, somewhere to go. Hold bathe the rocks, drink me alone, obey the code. Deck getting old, stress written bold, roll pivotal, drowning with no water, Lord send me home. Rigidity is simply not in vicinity. Days pass the same step when land passed the ways. Quaint subtle villages are utterly delivered with untapped rage, alcohol, mass self-hate. Torches all around, light them up, take them down. Oil on the ground, burning flesh smell now. Cutting down kids, women, men where they live and sleepy creeps to the steeple, evil runs deep. Lost troubled eyes from the priest and the keep bring memories of daddy losing mommy in his sleep. Can you blame a kid whose whole life turned to shit when his dad lost his wits, patterns passed to his kids? Drinking pain away, drunk stupid pain a brighter day. Gotta eat to live, started stealing, parted dealing with hands dealt by God now. Wandering log, father's gone, but his legacy carried on. Never killed as a rule, but now his name grew infamous. Had to protect his own interest. Bounty out in every different county. The line between sane blurs murders into a game. And so he drifts port to port as he shifts from a poor troubled kid to an old scurvy shit. Used to steal to live, now he's killing for the trip. Does the good still exist? Back to reality up in the steeple keep as he trounces over crosses for the gold and the meats. Hand in the plunder, what he hears is the thunder of the door breaking under, battered round from a bounty hunter. So he turns around at the sound start of now, cleaver in his hand trying to stand ready and eyes pointed at the man cloaked in black with a quiver on his back, arrow readied and pulled back. It was the longest moment of his whole life. Not a thought came to move, not a thought would suffice. So he closed both his eyes in a memory rush, felt remorse, hand of God and a Cerberus touch, then a through and through pain from his breast to his back, and his head tilt back, then his cleaver left his grasp. Still his feet stay stationed with the thoughts of mom racing. When the arrow penetrate, you feel the burning sensation. Gold hits the ground with a closed book sound. White in his mind for the first time, he feels fine. Step to the left, trip, catch, hold his breath, fold leg under stress for the breast, lights out. No way to stop, somewhere to go. Obey the rocks, drink me alone, obey the code. That getting old, stress written bold, roll pivotal, drowning with no water, Lord send me home. No way to stop, somewhere to go. Obey the rocks, drink me alone, obey the code. That getting old, stress written bold, roll pivotal, drowning with no